In Cognos, it is possible to create conditional formatting using variables. I will select first this column, and then I will go to this property style variable. I will click on these three dots, and first I will create new variable. I will create variable of type string, and I will name this variable var format. Then I will use this plus sign to give possible values to this variable, and possible values could be, for example, 2015, okay, and 2016. Okay, and then again I will click on OK, and I will get a new dialog where I have to define an expression that will give one of those possible values to our variable. And that expression will be just column here. So here we'll give a value to a variable, and if that value is among those possible values, then we will be able to create conditional formatting for that value. So I will click here on OK, and then again I will click on OK. But beside variable, we also need some colors. And for that, we will use this button that now appeared. This is a new button that appeared, and I will click on it. And here we have those two options. We have 2015 and 2016. I will first select 2015. And now we can use any of these properties to define our format. I will, for example, go to background color, and I will choose background color for a cell with the value 2015. I will select yellow color. So when I click on OK, we can see now that my cell is yellow, and we will also color this cell below. So I will now choose the value 2016, and I will select background color, for example, blue. And now we can see how our conditional formatting works. But we can use the same variable for some other elements. For example, we can select this column, and then we can go to style variable, and we can select the same variable. So I will select this variable var formatting. I will click on OK. And again, we have this button. In that button, we can select, for example, 2015. And now we can, for example, define color for text. I will select this red color. Now text for 2015 is red. And we can select 2016, where we can choose some other color, for example, this blue color. Okay. Now, what will happen if we delete this style variable? I will click on these three dots, and I will change selection in this menu to none. So when I click on OK, and then on OK, our conditional formatting will disappear. We can turn this back to that style variable. We can select our style variable again. We can choose var formatting. We can click on OK, but now we have to define those colors again. So we have to go here. We have to select some of the ears. We have to go here to foreground color, and we should select, for example, blue. Now, what if we want to delete this variable? Where are those variables placed in Cognos report? Well, for that, we go here to report menu, and then we go to variables, and here is our variable. If I select it, here we will see possible values, and I will now just select this variable, and I will click on delete at my keyboard. So when we go back to page 1, there will be no conditional formatting because we have deleted our variable. Let's see now how we can copy formatting from one element to another. I want to format this column here, and then I want to copy formatting from this column to this other column. Now, if I select this first column, and if I go to this menu, we can see that we can copy all of the styles from this column or just classes. And then I will apply some formatting manually to this column. I will change, for example, background color to green. Okay. And I will change foreground color to, let's say, red. And now that we have our formatting, let's copy. But now if I click on this menu is different. We can see here that we can copy just foreground color, just background color. So we can copy elements of this formatting that is applied in this first column. So I will copy just background color, just the green color. Then I will click on this second column, and then I will click on this button. And only background style is applied. I'll go back, and now I will copy all of the styles. So when I click on this second column, and if I click on this button, I will apply all of the styles. Now we can also modify this copied style. Our style is copied, but we can go here, we can go to edit dropper style, This is a description of our style, but we can now modify our style. I will click on edit. I will make my font bold and italic. I will click on OK. I will click on OK again. And then on this second column, I will again click on this button to apply this modified formatting. So I will click here, and now we have green color, red color, but our font is bold and italic because we have modified our style. Let us now jump to page 2. And here in page 2, we have this list with 3 columns. I will now create a new style, but that will be a named style, so style with a name. I can click here anywhere in this list, and then I can go to this button that looks like brush. I will click on new style. And in this dialog, we can create a new style. We can change different things. I will just change color of my text to red. Okay. And I will go to this background tab, and I will change color of background to this green color. And I will give my style a name. I will just call it style 1. And if I want to, I can now apply this style. So it will be applied to this column. I can click on Save Style to save my style, and I can close this dialog by clicking on Close. Now, where is that style now saved? Well, if we go here to this brush button, here is our style. So we can apply it, we can edit it, or we can delete it. I will now click on this second column, and I will apply here that new style. So I will go here to this brush button. I will go to style 1, and I will click on apply. And now my style is applied. We can also go here to this brush button. We can go to style. We can go to edit, and we can change some things. For example, we can make text bold, and we can make text italic. So we will save this change as save style. I will click on close. So we can apply now that modified style to this third column. I can click here. I can go to this brush button, style 1, and when I click on apply, our modified style is applied. And also we can delete this style. We can go to style. We can click on delete. Our style is now deleted, but it is still applied to columns where it was previously applied, so it will not be removed from the columns. We just have removed a definition of a style from this menu.